Alright, real quick before I start the video, I just wanted to disclaim that most of the footage you're about to see was recorded back in December, back before there was a stay-at-home order and so forth. And yeah, I've pretty much been sitting on this footage for 5 or so months. So yeah, enjoy.
Welcome to Stay Tuned's Garage. My name is Alex, and today we're doing something I've been wanting to do for so long now. So as you can see here, this is my 1996 Honda Accord. This car is like what got me started with the channel, what got me started with working on cars in general. It was like sometime early in the year or like sometime last year, I don't even remember. I actually got into an accident with this car where I like crashed the front of it. I actually rear-ended a police officer. I made a video about it, and ever since then this car has looked like crap. I mean, look at it. It's got the off-color hood, it's got, you know, all these scrapes over here. The bumper is a little messed up. It's still decent from like 50 feet away. You can't really tell the bumper is all that messed up, but it is pretty bad. Originally when I crashed the car, the original hood like bent up like that because most of the impact actually went to the hood and the radiator support rather than the bumper. So what I did is, just to get the car back on the road and having a hood that wasn't all crumbled up, I went to the junkyard. I got the only straight hood that I could find, which was this black one, which is all messed up. It's like a matte finish that like someone spray painted. And the idea at first was to actually paint the hood and color match it, and I was gonna tackle that and I wanted to make a video about it, but the more and more I got into it, the finding the right paint and just trying to do a good job would be very difficult with where I live. So I decided not to do that. Instead, what I've been doing is I have been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for a clean white Honda Accord to pop up at my local junkyard so I can go over there and steal the hood. And I've had a couple of close calls where I go, I see one online and it looks good, and then I go there and there's something wrong with it. Either there's a couple like scratches that are just enough for me not to want to buy it, or there's just something wrong. It's like nicked, like they got hit from the side and then this side is like bent down or something like that. There's always been something wrong. However, this car just popped up. From what I can tell in the pictures, the bumper looks like it's a little messed up, but that's okay. I don't mind having this bumper for now, as long as I could get one in the future, or if I can like paint that at one point, I would be down to do that. But for now, I just want my car to be all white again. So that hood, from these two pictures I get, looks pretty good. Today's goal is to go to the junkyard, find the car, get that hood, and I don't have like a truck for me to go like buy the hood and then bring it home and then take my hood back and for the core charge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna park in the parking lot, buy the hood, go outside of the junkyard, replace it with mine if it's good. Hopefully it's good. Fingers crossed it's good. But we're gonna replace it and then just leave my hood as the core, and then we'll drive back in an all-white Honda once again. I can't wait. I'm so stoked. I really hope this hood is good. If not, we're gonna keep looking. You'll probably never watch this video, but we're gonna keep waiting for a good one to pop up. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we have arrived to our destination. I am not bringing the big camera in just because I don't think they would like that. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. But I don't want to lose it anywhere or drop it, anything like that. So I'm just going to record on my phone while I'm in there. So yeah, I tried parking in a sort of conspicuous location because we're not supposed to work on our cars in this parking lot. So I kind of parked a little far away so they don't see me. So I don't think they'll say anything. I'm just gonna, it'll be like a 5-minute process to take the old one off and put the new one on. So let's go ahead and get in there and see if we could find the car. All right, so I think
this is the car. The hood is up on it, so I haven't seen it yet, but okay, let's see. That's just dirty. Okay. It has little rust spots. A little dirty. But honestly, it's not dented or anything like that, which is what I am looking for. So I am going to take this. All right, we got the hood off. Now we're just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna throw this on my back, carry it to the front, pay for it, and swap it out. All right, new hood, old hood. Let's go ahead and swap them out real quick. Get my core back for that, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so I kind of just got it like bare bones on. All the gaps are super off, but I'm not too worried about that right now. Everything is tight. It's ready to go. I'm just trying to get out of here so I can get home and actually fix all the stuff, wash the car, have it looking good. Finally, for the first time in like 2 years. Alright, and that sums this video up. I'm sorry if it was confusing with the huge time gap. I don't even know if I have... My hair is super long right now because barbershops aren't open. I haven't tried cutting my own hair yet. I might do it soon though. I'm getting kind of desperate. But thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. The car is all white again. Hopefully we'll be able to clean it up a little more soon. But there's some stuff we gotta do before we can get into that. But thank you for watching. Really hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day. Peace.